Hello everybody, my name is Dawn and I am a part of the locally world famous chiropractors here at Performance Place Sports Care. And in today's video we are going over how to stop low back pain while squatting. I'm going to show you probably two different things that you can try modifying in your squat to see if it helps with your low back. If you guys like this video, go to our channel. We have gone over tons of different types of squatting techniques, tension cues, things that you can use and try to adapt into your squat. If low back pain is something that you've been dealing with for a really long time, we have tons of videos on how to decrease your low back pain, so take advantage of those things that we've made for you guys, okay? So I have this dowel here to kind of mimic what most people are doing squatting with, which is a barbell back squat, okay? So what we see here in a barbell back squat, there's usually two different things that we need to try to modify for people. Not that it's bad for everyone, but it might be bad for you for the time being, okay? So a lot of times when we rack the weight on our back here, we have the tendency to want to try to find stability for our spine through a lot of extension, okay? So we go through this back squat here, and we're asking a lot of our low back muscles with this, okay? So all I'm gonna have you do is take that barbell and put it in a front rack position. Or if you have a kettlebell or a dumbbell that you can kind of hold underneath the chin here, let's go for front rack squats or goblet squats instead, okay? What this does is it asks a little bit more from your core as we go through the squat. You'll have a little bit more of a neutral spine and your core is a lot more activated as you're going through that squat. Sometimes a simple change like that works really well for people, so if you haven't tried it, try it out, okay? The second thing that I want to show you that you try to adopt is if we are going really low, this might be contributing, okay? If we don't have the stability and the control to be able to do a low squat, you might be causing a little bit of injury into some of the structures in your spine, okay? So let's just grab a chair or a box or a bench at the gym, wherever you are working out, and just decrease your depth in your squat, okay? You can sit, find a little break here, stand tall, drive through the heels. So instead of going nice and low, let's just stop right about 90 degrees and coming right back up. All right, so those are just two simple modifications, okay? Those are my favorite ones that I usually try to use for people. If that works for you and you wanna know where to go from here, like I want to do a barbell back squat and I wanna squat deep. How can I be able to do that without low back pain? Take advantage of the free offer that we have for you. A lot of times what these free offers is a guidance of where to go next. Most of the time people say something like this worked for them, and they want to know what to do next. This is why we've created that free gift for you. Just take advantage of it, okay? If you'd like to work with one of us, have us figure out what's going on with your low back, have us figure out how to improve your squat, we can work with you in person or virtually at this time. It's totally up to you which one you prefer, or if you're in another state, something of that sort. Take advantage of the virtual. We are here to help you.